Today we learn about further study of the section formula. In last or previous video, we study lambda ratio 1 if a line PQ intersecting by R and the coordinates are given, then what is the ratio between PR and RQ? We take it lambda ratio 1 and find the value of lambda. How to find it? I already explained it in previous video. Now, if we are given 2 points P which coordinate R x1, y1 and Q which coordinate R x2, y2. If line joining PQ is intersected by coordinate axis, then what is the ratio of PR and RQ? The first point is, if intersecting line is x-axis, then the ratio is always ratio of ordinate of both the point in negative sign. If x-axis cut P and Q, the coordinate of point R is not given, but the ratio of PR and RQ is always y1, y2 or in negative sign. I again explain it. We can't write y1, y2 like this, but if it is lambda ratio 1, then it is minus y1 upon y2. Lambda ratio 1. Is that clear? If the axis is y-axis, then the ratio between PR and RQ is minus x1 upon x2. We can explain it directly. We can calculate it directly. Let's take an example. If P23 and Q47, then if P23 and Q47, then the ratio in which x-axis cuts the line PQ at point R is minus x-axis cuts the line minus ordinate 3 upon ordinate of Q7. The ratio is minus 3 by 7. That is mean x-axis cut the line PQ externally. line PQ externally. X-axis cut the line PQ externally because it is negative. If this terms is, or with these terms we can find the cutting point of y-axis, then we can already say the ratio of x1 upon x2 with negative sign. So we can find the coordinate of that point with this ratio, and we can also find the ratio by it. Now we can explain the another point. If P are given x1 y1 and Q is x2 y2, it is cuts by a given line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 at point R. Then what is the coordinate? What is the coordinates of point R is? Point R. Notice point R. Point R के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होंगे? यदि x1 y1 x2 y2 दो पॉइंट्स हैं और इनको मिलाने वाली रेखा को एक रेखा ax प्लस by प्लस c जो है c बराबर 0 एक बिंदु R पर क्या करती है? काटती है. तो उस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होंगे? So we can explain it like that. P x1 y1 q x2 y2. Okay, x2 y2, and this is a line which is given point R. Coordinates are calculated. These are x, y. We assume that the ratio between them is lambda ratio 1. The ratio between them is lambda ratio 1. Now, we can calculate the coordinate R are lambda x2 plus x1 upon lambda plus 1 and lambda y2 plus y1 upon lambda plus 1. The coordinate of R are calculated by this method. We already explained it. But these points are satisfy the equation of a line. This point satisfies the equation of a line. So what is the value of lambda? We can find value of lambda by this method. A lambda x2 plus x1 upon lambda plus 1, b lambda y2 plus y1 upon lambda plus 1 plus c equal to 0. Plus c equal to 0. Now we have to get the value of lambda by it. We take LCM. Lambda multiplied by c, it becomes lambda c minus lambda c and minus c. If we take all values of lambda, and what can we find here? We find here ax2 plus by2 and plus c multiplied by lambda is equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c minus ax1 plus by1 plus c. Then the value of lambda can be calculated by this directly. Minus ax1 plus by1 plus c upon ax2 plus by2 plus c. That is the value of lambda, and we can find the ratio by which any line cut the joining line of PQ. The value of PR ratio RQ. In this question or in this method, we can find any line cut the joining line PQ in which ratio. If we find the value of lambda, then it is calculated easily. Now you can directly calculate it. You can directly calculate it. If you are given 2 point, if you are given 2 point and a line, then first point put in given line, upon my second point put in a given line, and the negative term gives you the ratio in which the line cut the joining line P and Q. So we get lambda equal to minus negative sign of equation ax plus by plus c, putting this coordinate upon ax plus by plus c, putting this coordinate yani point q, coordinate of point q, and get the ratio. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, then please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. You can press the bell icon to get all notification of my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram account and FB channel.